Alright guys, what we got here today is the Prestige Fishing bird teaser chain. We're just going to test this out just outside of Jervis Bay at the moment. As you can see, we've got about 12 birds on here. So we're going to put this out the back and just show you how much wash these things can actually produce. As you can see, we're not even halfway in. And look at that. All the way back. If you don't have a bait school jumping, you can create your own.
Well, that's it. Here we go.
We're going to draw it halfway back, about 30 metres back. All available from prestigefishing.com.au.